for. Worship you for. I for you, Lord. And no one say for all that. Come on. And no one lift it up. Say you, Lord. Lift your puppies and say, hey, for all the things you've done. Hey, and no one more time. Say you, Lord, yeah. And no one, yeah, yeah. Say for all the things you've done, oh, yeah. No. Are you ready to raise it up? Say, kiss my worship. Receive my. One more. Kiss my worship. Receive my. All of mine. Somebody give the Lord the praise. Woo! Yeah. Hey, now this part says, listen.
Welcome back to your bass lessons. Today's video, I'm back with another cool bass line for your groove. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin with the breakdown. Okay, I played the bass line on key D. Okay, do re mi fa sol la ti do, the D major. Okay, do ti la so fa mi re do. Okay, so first of all, I know many of you know the song. Okay, many of you know the song, and I just want to break it down. And you can also use this bass line in some foreign songs, some local song out there. Okay, just rehearse and get a concept of the progression. So first of all, let's look at the progression of the song. La 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 do. Okay, fa 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 so so do. Then you come back to your la. Okay, so the first normal bass line you want to apply to the song, that's to the song I played, it was like this: la 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 do re do. Okay, so that is your one. Now you're coming to your fa, that is your four. Fa 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 so so do. Okay, so la do re do, fa so la so do, or you can just play so do. So now you want to come to your mi, this cool field, a passing note. Okay, that is your re mo mi. Okay, you see this three, you start from your re, you count 1 2 3. Okay, so re mo mi do la. Okay, re mo mi la. Okay, so that's your la. Okay, so now let's go to the groove. It goes like this. the same progression. Okay, so la mi. So la, your mi, so la, la mi. You have to apply a ghost note. So la mi. Okay. 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 So la mi so la. Then you come to your one progression. The same ghost note, how you applied on the la, the same on the do. Okay, so do so ti do. Okay, you're not gonna play to do, no. Do so ti do. Okay. Okay, now to your fa. Okay, so fa do mi fa, so re fi so, do so ti do. Okay, so now the bass line, you saw that I added something like this. Okay, so first you need to practice on this. Before you can be adding stuff like that. Okay, so now let's look at the second part of the bass line, how you can apply the groove, that is the plugin, so that it won't confuse you. Okay, so la mi so la, 1 2 3 4. Okay, remember that every groove you'll be playing like 3 strings, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so what I want you to know that when you play your la, where you be playing that that this thing, put it in mind that you be playing it in the second string. Okay, you be using the second string. Like in example, when you're on your la progression, you'll be using 1 2 3, your 3 strings. You see, so make sure that the you always play it on the second string. So anytime you want to jump to a progression, play it on the second string. Okay, so second string, second string, second string, second string, second string. Okay, you see how cool it is? So la mi so la, mi la mi so la, so do so ti do, so do so ti do, do fa do mi fa, re so. Okay, re fi so, or you can play fa so. Okay, or fi so or fa so. Okay, so okay, so now maybe you want to repeat that bass line. There are some fills you have to do just to cover there up. Okay, so when you finish playing your do, now you want to come to your la to start again. So I play this. Okay, so okay, it depends on your groove. So people can play. Okay, but in the groove, you just need to steady your groove very well before you can be applying stuff like this. So I play fa mi re ti. Okay. Okay, fa mi re ti. So make this as an exercise. Okay. So here I played re mo mi, if you remember, but the re I plugged it 2 times. Okay, so then you start. You see how cool it is. So Okay, and the second one I play this. Okay, so these are the passing note I'm teaching you so that you can apply. So, and this one goes like this. The second one. Okay, and the third one goes like this. Okay, so re mi fa mi la. Okay, so first one, second one, third one. Okay, so now we are going to my worship. Okay, so the progression of that is fa fa fa, so so so, so so so, re re re, fa fa fa, so so so. Okay, so the groove goes like this. Da 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 da. I'm on my fa progression. If you know the fa progression, that is fa la do. You know, so da 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 da. Okay, but I played it here so that it will be easy for me. Da 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 da. Okay, so mi fa la 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 do, mi fa la 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 do, da da. Okay, so so la so mi so. Okay, so la so mi so, da 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 da, da 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 da, da da da. Okay, so that is what I did. Yeah, that is re mi re. You slide to your la, then you re mi fa la so. That is so la so. Okay. Da 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 da. Okay, that's your mi fa so la so. Okay, this is the end of the video. I'll be bringing you cool stuff just like this. So I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.